So go ahead and go into Canva. That is canva.com, Canvacom. And you can use a free account here and just you can go over here to templates or whatever, but just hit one something so that it takes you into the work area. And this is a work area. So just hit social media because that's what you're going to work on. Now you have all these templates that you can work from of who you're going to use. So say you're going to do a Facebook post. Click Facebook post. And then here you can do a blank post, or you can use some of these different templates. They're you can't use them all unless you want to pay for them. But the best thing for you to do is just to go ahead and create your blank Facebook post. And then over here to the left, you're going to see a menu of different things that you can use. And say you want to upload a new picture, go ahead and go to uploads. And then up here, you see mine is a purple bar. It says upload file. So that means you're going to upload something from your own personal archives, your own album. Let's put this cute little turtle in here. And it's going to upload. And then once it's uploaded over here in this menu, you can click on that turtle and he shows up over here on this big white square in the middle of your project. Now we're going to come back over to the left and you see the big T for text, hit text. And there's different font combinations that you can use down here, but for the sake of this, I'm just going to show you how to use your own text. So I want my text to be a little bigger, so I'm going to put subheading because that gives me a bigger font. But as you will see when I use this, okay, add subheading, and it's a little tricky, but you can move this around, but in order to get this to move, just come over here and the outside where you want um outside of that activated box. When it's like this means it's activated with the dots and this thing. Then come over here to the side in this other white and deactivate it. And then you can come back and click on it and just drag and pull it where you want it. Anywhere in the picture. And as you see, the black ink does not show up. So you can take your mouse and select, just drag and pull to select that text. And then come up here and along the top of the screen, you're going to see this A and then a color bar underneath of it. That is your text color. So you can come in here and choose, well, okay. And now over here to the left, it's going to show you different colors that you could use. And I always like to I use white a lot on darker colors. And I just hit on that white and I come back and look at that. My text is all white now. But that is how you can type over top of pictures and have it ready. And then when you want to download your picture, you just come all the way over here to the top right and you hit the share button. Right here is the share button. And then come down and hit download. You can try any of these things. I don't use them. I like to be in control of my own pictures and videos. So I always download them to my computer. It's going to suggest you use this as a PNG, but those it's just better to come and use the JPEG selection. Hit that, come down here, hit download. Mine goes straight into mine's going to go into these photos. I don't want them here. I have another folder, but just pick your folder. I have stuff here for social marketing. Um, I'm going to save it there, and I'm just going to save it there. And then you can go ahead and that picture is saved and you can upload it to Facebook. That is your quick tutorial of how you can put print over top of your pictures. I hope you found this helpful.